folks, this is Nessa on Infinitely Zero's channel, and here it's Thursday, June 20th, so I wanted to do a quick video to see if, I wanted to do a quick video to show more of the unboxing for the Countdown box. So I know it was called the Countdown Box Christmas in July, and I was unboxing it in June. I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier, but I'm actually going to rename it and now call it Countdown to Summer Solstice. So, happy Summer Solstice, and it makes a lot more sense. So it's Summer Solstice to folks here up in the Northern Hemisphere, and it's Winter Solstice for folks in the Southern Hemisphere of the world. So if you're watching that, from there, welcome. And if you like my content, click like and subscribe. And I know that's makes a lot more sense now in June. And I celebrate this winter solstice anyways, as well as the spring and autumn equinox. So yeah, this just makes a lot more sense. So actually, instead of 2 today, I'm going to unbox 4 of the yarn and of the gifts that are all wrapped up. And catch my other videos of this for the whole explanation, but it was a whole box. It's 12 different days in the countdown, and then the 13th day has a bigger skein of yarn that's wrapped up, and then there's also a blue bag that has bonus yarn. So yeah, exciting. So, and I'm gonna also show off my make, which was this, which I finished this week. Okay, so let's get started. So this one's number 5, and I also really didn't want to wait too long, and I want to figure out what I want to make with the yarn and look at all the yarn and put it away, like everything that's in the box. So yeah. So this is for day 5. So this is my day 5 yarn. It's they're all special for the days that are wrapped up for the 12 days. It's special style craft DK. It's 100% premium acrylic yarn, 295 meters, 322 yards. I believe it's machine wash, cool tumble dry. This color is mocha, 1064. It's very pretty. And recommended hook size is 4mm crochet hook or 4mm knitting needles, and it's 100 grams. So that's all that info there. That's the color. That's the color. It's really pretty color. So yeah, so now our day 6 for the yarn. Pretty. It's not pink. It's actually apricot. Same specs. I know it looks pink in the camera. Ooh, let's see. So this is day 7 and day 8. Then winter solstice is customary to open gifts anyways, so you don't have to, but makes sense. Ooh, I think I have 2 apricots. Huh, interesting. Yeah, another apricot. Cool. That's my first double. And this is number 8. Ooh, pretty. It's like a minty color, minty green. So this color, the shade is called Sherbet. 1034. That die number. So those are the ones from today. That mint looks really good with that apricot. And these are the other 4 days. So all together, it's getting more than I can grab. It's all of that. So that's pretty cool. I would say I don't really think these two go together, but maybe if, you know, they're further apart, that might work a little better. With that purple falling off around here. Haha. Yeah, my arms aren't that big. There you go. All the things. Okay, now onto the presents. I'm gonna have to get a baggie to put all those in. I know I've been really busy this week, and next week too. I have a very busy week, so I don't know. I'll try to make a video. Don't know if I'll have a chance, and hopefully I'll try to make another video this weekend. It's depending how I'm feeling and how tired I am. Thank you, Russ. I'm having a lot of fun with the box. Ooh, chapstick, lip balm, vanilla. Cool. Thank you. Ooh, this feels like either notions or mints. Oh yeah, I guess I should have said spoiler. Too late now, huh? Sure, they already stopped the video if they don't want to see what was in their boxes. Because I already said it from the beginning, I wasn't going to wait. Ooh, interesting. Oh, nice. Stitch markers. That's cool because I don't really have a tin like this for them. So now, oops. Now I can use it. So those are the stitch markers in there. Now I can put it kind of next to the sofa where I crochet the most. And put my stitch markers in there. Nice. Cool. See, I have like this little paw, which I think is adorable. And I could put my needles in here too. Nice. Wonder if my little scissor fits. Nope. Almost. That's okay. But that works. Thank you. Very cool. Okay. Next present. Ooh, let's open this one. And this does say gift. So much wrapping, I'm sure, per box. Ooh. Is this a stocking? Ooh, it's a pretty stocking. With the reindeer. I'm going to leave it like that for now. Very cool. And last but not least, the other last little present. It's a little heavy. Oh, an eraser. I was like, what is it? Because it's kind of heavy. Very cool. Very nice eraser. It's like one of those like kind of art erasers. So yes, thank you very much. And then to show the shawl that I made it with Red Heart Roll With It Sparkle yarn in the colorway Opal. Calls for a 5mm hook. I used a 6mm. It's a Bag O' Day crochet pattern. It's High Expectations, and it's categorized as a 4-weight yarn, but it's actually on the thinner side. I would say like a 3. And this is 561 yards, or 513 meters, 5.29 ounces, or 150 grams. And yeah, I got it at Ollie's on sale for $3, so talk about a great deal. And that's the colorway. And with this one, it's actually, the yarn is softer than Mandala Sparkle, and their Sparkle one. That one is like rougher, the yarn, and you feel the metal more. So this is actually, I thought, nicer yarn. It's my first time using it. So this is how the shawl looks. I think it came out really pretty. Thank you so much, my friend Stephanie here on YouTube Streets that I've made recently. She mentioned that she was working on this shawl and that it was quick and easy to make, and that she had used this yarn and it looked really pretty, and she had shown me her pictures, and I remembered that I had a cake of this. I was like, you know what, let me try it. I heard there's a cake and rainbow of this. Maybe I think that colorway is called Kaleidoscope. Yeah, I just really like the shawl. And but I don't have any, but I'd love to be able to find it. So if anybody sees it on sale, let me know. And the top I have on, yes, I did crochet. I crocheted it last year. It was one of the first patterns I tested. This is a pattern for Heart Hook Home. I actually made it with the Hirschner's cotton mill ends. So yeah, and it does look a nice transition color. I have a tank top underneath, so I'm not gonna end up showing anything, but yeah. But yeah, and she has a pattern on her site, on her blog, so check that out there. It's like a 2-weight yarn. It took me quite a while to make. So yeah, so that's everything I wanted to show you guys, and yeah, that was my stuff for the unboxing for the countdown for Summer Solstice. And yeah, it's the longest day of the year, the shortest night of the year up here in the Northern Hemisphere. So thanks. Bye.